A multiple of a number can be divided by that number without leaving a remainder. For example, the first 5 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20, so numbers that are in the 4 times table. So we need to answer true or false. 96 is a multiple of 4. Well, we can use division to work out whether 96, if you count up far enough, would be in the 4 times table. So 9 divided by 4 is 2 remainder 1, and 16 divided by 4 is exactly 4. So we don't get a remainder, so we can say that that's true. And we can see by reading a division question the other way round, we know that 24 times 4 is 96, so the 24th multiple of 4 is 96. Now, 1400 is a multiple of 100. Well, we can see straight away that that's true, because multiples of 100 always end in 2 zeros, and 1400 ends in 2 zeros, doesn't have any 10s or 1s. Now, 357 is a multiple of 7. Well, let's divide to see if 357 is in the 7 times table. There's no point dividing 3 by 7, so let's take the first 2 digits together. 35 divided by 7 is 5, and then 7 divided by 7 is 1. So this tells us that 51 times 7 is 357, which means it's true that 357 is a multiple of 7. It's the 51st multiple of 7. Now, 416 is a multiple of 9. So let's divide, and again we can take the first 2 digits together. 41 divided by 9 is 4 remainder 5, and 56 divided by 9 is 6 remainder 2. So here, because we get a remainder on the end, we know that 416 is not in the 9 times table. It's not a multiple of 9, so that one's false.